morning, welcome to today's Securities Markets Update. It's Monday, the 18th of August, and there are a few economic figures that will be released during the Asian session, while there's a lack of fundamentals across the next European and the US session today. Beginning with the Asian session, the Bank of England Chairman Mark Carney came in with another statement saying that the interest rate may rise even if the real wages growth is declining, meaning that the rise in real wages is not a precondition for any rate hike in the future, which restored the speculation for a rate hike later this year. The GBPUSD also began the week higher following this statement, reaching as high as 1.6739 so far, while further gain could be seen later this week as long as the 200-day moving average remains solid, which stand at 1.6660s. In the UK as well, the Rightmove house price index also showed its second monthly decline in a row, declining by minus 2.9% in August, comparing to a decline of 0.8% in July. This is the biggest also decline since December of 2012. In Australia, the new vehicle sales also showed its first decline since 3 months, declined by 1.3% in July, comparing to an increase of 2.2% in June, which is the biggest monthly decline since January. In China, the foreign direct investment decreased by 0.4% in July, comparing to an increase of 2.2% in June, which is the first decline since February of last year. As for the European session ahead, there is only one economic figure will be released for the Eurozone, which may lead to a tight range across the day. The trade balance surplus is expected to narrow back to 14.9 billion euros in June, comparing to 15.3 billion euros in May. As for the US session, today we will be focusing on two economic releases from Canada and the US, but it's unlikely to have any notable impact on the markets. In Canada, the foreign securities purchases is expected to decline back to 14.68 billion in June, compared to 21.43 billion in May. Finally, in the US, the NAHB housing market index may remain stable at 53 in August. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest economic releases, reports, and analysis. Thank you for watching.